So I took apart my whole 3x3. So here it is. There's no center caps at all. So now I'm going to teach you how to assemble a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So now you will need an actual cube for reference. So make sure this is so this is white. So you want to put that white center cap here. And then that blue center cap, and then an orange center cap. And there we go. So it's now the same color scheme like that. So that you can actually get the color scheme right. And then just put the last 3 center caps on. And there we go. The center caps are now reassembled. Now you want to do the white layer. This will be a little bit more easier. This will be easier than normal. So you want to take like a white, blue, or any white edge piece and then put it to the center piece here. And then you want to do that with all of the edges. So let me just do that real quick. So this is the part that you actually want to be careful. So now we're going to put the white crust at the bottom. Got the yellow on top. So you want to take like this white and green, orange, and so you want to do this. So you want to put this there, and then you're going to put it in, and there we go. It's sealed. It will be sealed once we put the edge piece on. And that just dropped. You can always reassemble. This is a little bit tricky. Put it in. And then put this edge piece in. Sorry if you hear speakers. That's my speakers. So now you want to take so you just want to do that with all of the edge corners. So let me just do that real quick. Last corner. Oh wow, that's like that. So if my 5x5 like ever breaks, I will teach you how to assemble that 5x5, and this is actually one of the methods where this is actually how you assemble the first layer of the 5x5. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit of time for this, so I'm now done. Now we're going to actually assemble. So now we're going to do the edge pieces. Then this will lock the corners really down. Take the edge piece and just slide it in. It's really easy. I'm just gonna slide the rest in. There we go. The middle layer is now done. It's that. So this actually turns it into its shifting puzzle shape that you will see in a few videos later. And now let's do this. So we're going to assemble the last layer. So actually, if you're assembling a 3C, you might need a screwdriver for this part because something might happen at the end unless you're really strong. So just wait, please. So we're going to insert this in the last corners. But then you might It's kind of hard to put the last edge here, but if you can put it in as another cube, just do it like that. And but since this is a 3C and it's really hard to put in, I'm just going to take apart one center. If this happens with you, you can also do this. There we go. Put it back in. Spring. Screw. There we go. Wow. I did it too loose. Yeah, that's basically how to assemble a 3x3. So, yeah, see you guys next time.